cheating, dude. Say, what? Gets him to stay in one place. You're cheating, dude. I guess you could say I'm glad, yeah, definitely glad we got the all-metal one.